Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I am going to show you how we can get picture-in-picture in YouTube application. We need an app to play video in picture-in-picture mode. The name of the app is X app. We will get the apps in the App Store. First go to the App Store, click on the search bar and type X app. Now install the app. After installing the app, we need to go to YouTube app. Then play the video you want to play in picture-in-picture mode. Then click on share icon. Swipe right. Click on more. Scroll down. Here below we can see two options, X video full screen and X video picture in picture. From here we have to click on X video full screen. Then click on picture in picture. Now our video is in picture mode. You can now customize if you want. You can now use any other apps while in picture mode. You can also skip 15 seconds of the video if you want. So, this was today's video. I hope you understand how to watch video in picture mode. Stay tuned for more new iPhone videos like this. And if you like the video, then don't forget to leave a like, comments and share. And also subscribe to the Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.